Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So today we will start chapter 11, that is comparison of adjectives. So what do you understand by this heading comparison of adjectives? Means that we will be comparing adjectives into different levels. So what are we going to do? We are going to compare the adjectives. So, before we start the chapter, let us look at this picture and read the sentences. So, you can see there are three mountains, okay, A, B, and C. So, what does it says? The sentences, what does it says? Peak A is high. So, you can see peak A is high. Peak B is higher than peak A. So, you can see peak B is higher than peak A. So, it is higher than A. What is higher than A? B. Peak C is the highest. So, peak C is the highest among A and B. So, among A and B, which is the highest? C. Okay, so what do you understand? You can see the adjective high is into three levels. High, higher and highest. Okay, so what do you understand by that? Okay, we will come to know about that in this chapter. So, what do you see? In all these sentences, high is the main adjective. So, you can see high is the main adjective. In the second and third sentences, the form of the word high has been changed to show comparisons. So, you can see that in the second and third sentences, the form of word high has been changed to show what? To show comparison. Okay. Which word is changed? High has been changed. Okay. Here are some more examples. You can see there are more examples over here. What are they? Tarun is tall. So, what is it? Tarun is tall. Then Varun is taller than Tarun. So, who is taller? Varun is taller than whom? Than Tarun. Then Vivek is the tallest of all. So, who is the tallest of all? Vivek. And what did it change into? From tall to taller and then tallest. Next over here it is comparing two objects. What it is? Comparing between two objects. So, when we compare two objects or people, we use the ER form. What do we use? The ER form followed by form of the adjective followed by than. Okay. So this form of comparison is called comparative degree. What does this form of ER and followed by than? This comparison is called comparative degree. So in this we use ER form of the adjective followed by than. For example, an elephant is bigger than an ant. So what do we understand by this sentence? That elephant is bigger than what? It is bigger than an ant. So what did we use? Bigger than. Then Ramesh is cleverer than Anil. So between two people. So between two people or two things we are comparing. So what it is? It is changed into cleverer than. Okay. So Ramesh is cleverer than Anil. Okay. So who is cleverer than Anil? It is Ramesh. Next, for some adjectives we do not add er. So there are some adjectives that we do not add er to the adjective. Instead, we use more immediately before the adjective. So before the adjective, what do we add? We add more. Okay. There are few adjectives where we cannot add er. So what do we use? We use more before the adjective. Okay. For example, Nisha is more beautiful than Tanya. So you can see beautiful is changed into more beautiful. Okay. So who is more beautiful than Tanya? That is Nisha. So comparing between two. These two shoes are more expensive than those ones. So again expensive is changed into more expensive. Okay. So this was comparing between two. Okay. Between two. And now it is comparing three or more adjectives. Now we have to see what happens when we compare between three or more adjectives. So when we compare three or more people or things, we use the est form of adjective. What do we use? We use the est form. This form of adjective is called superlative degree. So this one is called superlative degree. The ER form was called comparative and EST is called superlative. Next, we always use the with this form of adjective. So what do we use? We use the with this form of adjective. Example, Raima has three bags. The red bag is the biggest of all. So you see, the biggest. We are using the before biggest. Asha is the smartest girl in the class. So in the whole class, who is the smartest? Asha. So again over here, what do we use? The smartest. Next, adjectives that take more in the comparative degree take most in superlative degree. So in comparative degree we were using more. Now for superlative what we will be using? We will be using most. See, this is the most attractive picture I have ever seen. So among the pictures that I have ever seen, this picture is the most attractive. What it is? Most attractive. The Jungle Book is the most interesting. So most interesting book written by Rudyard Kipling. So you can see we are adding the, we are adding most, and then the adjective interesting. Okay. So this was comparing between how many? 3 or more. Okay. This is comparing between 3 or more. So and the adjective is formed into superlative degree. Before it changed into ER and then again more, and it was into comparative degree. And over here we changed that few superlative degree from more to most, and we use the. Okay. Next, we will study this table carefully. So study this table carefully. Make a note of how the spelling changes in the comparative and superlative. I would request you to learn this. Okay, learn it. So positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So I am going to dictate it to you. Fast changes to faster and then fastest. Tall changes to taller, then tallest. Short changes to shorter, then shortest. So you can see into comparative it is changing into ER, and in superlative it is changing into EST. Okay. Nice, nicer, nicest. Small, smaller, smallest. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Then fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Now over here you can see there is changed. There the comparative degree and superlative degree is going to change. So beautiful becomes more beautiful, most beautiful. Wonderful becomes more wonderful, most wonderful. Okay. So I would request you to learn this. Okay. Go through the definition. And over here you can see no slipping. We do not use the word than with superlative degree. So when we were using than, we were using than with comparative degree. Okay. So we cannot use than with superlative degree. So you can see over here we cannot use than with superlative degree of adjective. So this was all for today's chapter. Okay, in the next video we will be discussing the exercise of this chapter. Okay, and that was all for today's class. Thank you.